This car is only $1, but if there's a violent crash, our car will be upgraded until we are upgraded to the most mysterious car in the world, worth 20,000 yuan. It can also transform into a deformed diamond. Okay, brothers and brothers, this is a small car with a giant fire arrow pusher, but it only has $1 left. But the car is also very fast. The rocket propelled the machine and accelerated instantly. We actually changed the car. I'm too handsome. We finally have a new King Kong car. Well, let's keep changing back and escape from here. Because we have been chased by the police car. We need to escape the pursuit of the police car before we can complete our duties, refuel, and see if I can continue to hit and upgrade our car. Let us speed up, my heavenly Na, and there will be a violent blow, 5 pulses. This thing turned us into a white bat bear. Wow, it can be seen that it is more handsome, and it just so happens that there is a button for us to test it. Can it also transform? Come on, press the shoe button. It's so handsome. How cool. We turned straight into a white transformer. Oh my god, its speed is simply amazing. It's too fast. Accelerate in an instant. Okay. Here we found a car shop. Let us go in and take a look. Let us buy a cooler transformer King Kong car. Oh my god, this is so handsome. OHMYGOD. Such a new cylinder car with so many changes. It is too expensive to buy without the N number. We need to participate in a competition, and if we win, we will win the prize money. Okay, so many cars are coming to disperse. Let's get ready to start. LETSG. Huh? Just compare it with this car. It is the champion. Hey, you're not my opponent at all. Well, let's compare speed. I won this championship. Wow! We directly got 6 million. Buy a top sports car and poke into the hesitation. Let's go! Oh my god, we spent 2 million straight to buy this top-of-the-line F1 Superclass deformed silver steel race car. No, it's handsome, it's simply cool. And this time we can also increase the speed, because it's not afraid of bumping. OHMYGOD. This speed is too fast. Handsome. Okay, let us turn into Transformers. Give it a try. Come on. Wow, wow, wow. So handsome. Wow, wow. Okay, brothers, today's work is complete. We will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.